Okay, in this video I'm going to be giving you a quick rundown on how to make the proper sized images for our Roku channel. We'll need 6 different sized images just for the channel package. I'm going to show you how to make one of the images using software called GIMP. It's kind of like Photoshop, but it's a free software. So most people like to use Photoshop, myself included. But for the purposes of this course, I'm going to use GIMP just so that everyone that wants it can have it because it's free online. But there are 6 different image sizes that you're going to need for your channel package. And I'll give you a quick rundown of those. The first image is the main menu icon, center focus. It's an HD image and the size is 336 by 210 pixels. The second image is the main menu icon, center focus, SD, and it's 248 by 140 pixels. The third one is the main menu icon, side image in HD, and it's 108 pixels by 69 pixels. And then there's another main menu icon, side SD image, and it's 80 by 46 pixels. And then there's the overhang banners. One is in HD, it's 1281 by 165 pixels. And then there's the SD overhang banner, and it is 720 by 110 pixels. And of course I'll have a list of all of these images and sizes over in the description on the sidebar. But for this video I'm just going to be making the very first image, and that should give you a basic idea of how you need to make the other images as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. Okay, for this course I'm going to be customizing our Roku channel template into a cat video channel. And so the image I'm going to be making now is the main menu icon center focus in HD, which is 336 pixels by 210 pixels. And this is the main image you'll see when you're searching for the channel. So of course I'm going to want some cats on there. So first let's start a new image. So we'll go over here to File and then go right down here to New. And we'll put in our size here. Right here I've already got the width and the height. That's 336 by 210, but you'll have to put that in. Just type in 336 and height 210 and make sure this is set to pixels, not any of these others. And then click on OK, and you'll see this here. This is the size of the first image that we'll be making. And of course I searched around and found some cat images that I liked, so I'm going to go ahead and open up a cat image that I found. And of course, as you can see, this image is going to be way too big for what we need. This image is like 2500 pixels by 1600 pixels. So I'm going to show you how I usually resize stuff. It's a little different in Photoshop, but this is how I've learned to do it in GIMP. I'm just going to select all on this image here, and then hit edit and copy. And then I'm going to go over here to my image here and just go edit and paste. And you can see that it's way too huge for this size of an image. So I'm going to go up here. This that I pasted in has added another layer, so I'm going to go up here to my layer. And then we'll come right down here to scale layer, and you can see that this layer is way too big. It's 2560 by 1600 pixels, and what we want, our image size is 360 by 210 pixels. So we want to keep the perspective of this image just right as we scale it down. I don't know if you've seen some images when people scale it down or back up, it kind of distorts the width or the height. So this little link right here kind of keeps it in perspective when we start sizing it down. So we'll put in the width of 360 and hit enter, and then the height will automatically be put in to keep it in perspective. And what we have is a 360 by 225, which is close enough for what we want, I'm pretty sure. So we'll go ahead and click on scale. And yeah, you can see that here's our image. This is the part of the layer that's going to be cropped out, but our image still looks good and it's in the proper perspective, so we'll keep that. And then we'll add a little bit of text to our image, so we'll come over here to the text tool, and we'll just keep the text black, but if you want to change the color of your text, this is where you'll do it. You just click on this, and then this color selector will come up, and you can change the color of your text. But we are going to keep ours at a black color. And just come over in here, and I think I'll just call this the Cute Cat channel. We'll go with Cute Cat channel. And of course you can change the font and the size there. I think I might make it a little bit bigger. And that looks about right. And we'll just keep it right there like that. Okay, and this image looks good, so we're going to go ahead and save it. We're going to go down here to export. We're not going to do a save as, we're going to do an export as. And we want to make sure it's set to PNG. So if yours is not set to PNG, you'll just click on this drop down box and make sure that it's set right here to PNG image. Okay, and we're gonna save it to a folder on our desktop. At least I am. You can put yours wherever you want to. Just remember where you put it for later. I'm put on my desktop, and I've got a folder already here called cat channel images, so I'm gonna put it into that folder on my desktop. And for the name of the image, just to make it easier on us, we're gonna name these images a certain name so that we don't have to go back and rename them inside of the script. So we're gonna name these images the same names that we already have inside of the script. So this image is called main menu icon. You want to name it exactly just like this with the underscores and everything. And I'll make sure that in the list that the images are named exactly how you want to name them, okay? Just make sure you just copy and paste the names in here. So this is the first image. It's the main menu icon center focus HD.png. Alright, so once you have it named properly, then you'll just click on export. And then you don't have to change any of this in here. Just click on export. And that's it. And you'll do that for every image in the list. You make sure you make this proper sizes. A couple of these images are long, skinny images. They're the banner images, or they're actually called the overhang background images, but they're like long banners, but you'll use the same principle of sizing the images in here. And that's it. And these are my completed images for the channel package. You can see there are 6 images here, and these are the sizes that your images should be for the channel package. And then these are the channels that we'll add to our channel package. And I'll show you how to do that in the next video.